In this video, I'll go through the steps you need to follow to verify your website in Search Console using the Google Tag Manager container snippet. In order to verify your website with the Google Tag Manager container snippet, you'll need publish permissions to your container in Google Tag Manager. You'll also need to be logged into Search Console with the same Google account that you use for Google Tag Manager. If you're not sure which permissions you have, check the Google Tag Manager Help Center linked below. Before verifying, ensure that your homepage has the no script portion of the Tag Manager code immediately after the opening body tag. If it does not, verification will fail. Open your homepage in a browser, look at the page source code, and confirm that the tag is present, and immediately after the body tag with nothing in between. After you click Add Property, add your website URL under the URL prefix option and click Continue. Expand the Google Tag Manager section where you'll find a button to verify. If you have the necessary permission, your verification should work immediately after clicking it. If you perform the steps above correctly, verification should work immediately. If it doesn't, click the full details link to learn about potential errors. You can find out more about those errors and how to handle them in the Help Center. The Google Tag Manager Container ID will be used only to verify site ownership. No Google Tag Manager data will be accessed following this process. I hope you found this video useful. For more videos like this, check out the Google Webmasters YouTube channel.